In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your reposts on Instagram step by step. If you've ever reshared someone else's post or reel to your own feed and later wondered where to find all of those reposts in one place, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple, and I'll point out a few helpful notes along the way so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. This takes you to your personal page where you can see your posts, reels, and highlights. Quick tip: if you manage more than one account, double check you're on the right profile before continuing. Next, look to the top right corner and tap the three lines. This opens the main menu for your profile, where Instagram keeps tools and settings that relate to your activity. From that menu, choose your activity. This section organizes how you've interacted on Instagram, from time spent to content you've archived or shared, and it's the hub for reviewing what you've reposted. Now scroll down and tap Reposts. This opens a dedicated list that shows everything you've reposted to your feed. You'll see the original content displayed in order, making it easy to review what's currently appearing as reposts on your profile. Keep in mind, this list reflects reposts you've added to your feed. It doesn't delete or change the original creator's post in any way. If you want to remove a repost, tap Select. You'll notice check marks appear so you can choose specific items. Tap the repost you want to delete, then tap Delete to remove it from your profile. Instagram may show a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm. Removing a repost takes it off your feed and the reposts list, but it doesn't affect the original post on the creator's account. That's the full process. Open Instagram, go to your profile, open the menu, select your activity, find reposts, review the list, and use select and delete if you want to remove anything. If something doesn't match what you see, it could be due to a recent app update, so make sure your app is up to date and try again. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.